This is not a coincidence that you're seeing this video at this moment, at this time. Your body is asking you to take a pause. Now find somewhere close to you that's comfortable, feet grounded on the floor, and you can close your eyes and relax your tense muscles in your face, your shoulders. And let's begin by taking a slow, gentle breath in through your nose. Inhale. And slowly release it through your mouth. Again, inhale calm. And exhale tension. There is nothing you need to force in this moment. Many people believe that a strong nervous system is one that never shakes, never feels fear, never gets overwhelmed, but this isn't how your body was designed. Your nervous system was designed to move, to respond, to protect you. Strength is not found in never leaving calm. Strength is found in knowing the way back. Take another slow breath in through your nose and fill your lungs. Inhale. And breathe out a little longer. With every exhale, imagine your body remembering that it's safe to soften. Again, notice your shoulders. Relax your jaw, unclench your hands. Allow your breath to become your anchor. Each inhale reminds you that you are here. Each exhale reminds you you are allowed to return to your body, to that calm. Your body already knows this pathway. You don't have to earn peace. You simply have to return to it. One breath, one heartbeat, one moment at a time. Just remember, the strongest nervous systems aren't the ones that never move. They're the ones that know how to return to calm. One last inhale through your nose. And hold. And exhale. Thank yourself for giving yourself this time to pause and honor your breath, your life force energy. Just stay calm in your pause. One love.